Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to add qualifications to your resume on the Indeed app. Including your qualifications helps to highlight your skills and experience, making your resume stand out to potential employers. So, let's get started on how to add qualifications to your resume on the Indeed app. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on the option Qualifications. Here you can input details that will enhance your profile and make it more attractive to employers. Include any relevant positions you have held in the past. Add your education details from high school diplomas to advanced degrees. List the skills that is relevant to the jobs you are applying for. If you have any certifications or license relevant to your field, make sure to add them. This will increase your chances of being noticed by potential employers. Don't forget to add in languages you speak, as this can be a valuable skill depending on the jobs you are applying for. And that's how you can add qualifications to your resume on the Indeed app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.